Well, I've been out in the boat for a couple of hours now and the fishing's been pretty quiet. I'm starting to lose enthusiasm a bit, but what I have got some enthusiasm for is a nice cup of espresso coffee. And I love being able to make it out here on the water using my Outen Nano coffee maker. These things are brilliant. I've been using this a lot. I've been talking about it a fair bit as well in some of my videos. Outen are actually having their 3rd anniversary at the moment. They're offering all kinds of specials, but there's only a couple of hours left in that anniversary if you're watching this on the 17th of August 2025, because that is the last day of the anniversary offers. So if you want to get one of these at the best price that I've ever seen them at, you want to get on straight away and do it. But look, even if you don't, if you use my link down below, you'll get the best available price on the day for one of these Outen Nano coffee makers. Now, let me show you how I make a delicious cup of espresso out here on the water. First of all, I just remove the cup from the bottom and unscrew this pod holder. Now I lift out the little cage that the pod goes in and push the coffee pod in, and you can use any of the Nespresso style coffee pods. Make sure you push it right down. You'll actually hear a little click. That means it's been properly seated. And then you screw it back on, put the cup back in place nice and firmly, take the lid off and put as much water in there as you want to. Now what I do is just press the button and hold it for 2 seconds. You'll hear that little beep and it starts making my coffee. Now it'll take a few minutes, so I'm going to go away and swap lures while this is happening. 4 lights are flashing. We're going to hear a beep, and now the heated water is forced through the coffee pod into the cup below. Listen to that. Look at the crema on that. That is just delicious. Now, I like milk with my coffee, so I've brought some heated frothed milk in this little insulated flask, and I'm going to pour some in. So if you're interested in finding out how to make yourself barista quality espresso out on the water, on the riverbank, on the beach, on the rocks with one of these rechargeable Outen Nano espresso makers, use my link down below. Cheers. Oh, that's good. I might have to do another one of those.